Welcome, friends. Yet another session of technical analysis. Today we will discuss about volume, how volume plays significant role in this technical analysis. There are two important things. One is price and second is volume. So today discussion will be centered around volume. So let us see how this volume plays important role in this analysis. We can see here, we can see here there is very less volume up to here, this point, this line, and market is in sideways. There is no significant movement here. But once volume started to spark in this area, significant movement started, and from around 1125, it goes around 2000 within very short span of time. That means volume has significant role in price movement. So let us first understand what is this yellow line and what is this vertical this, so that we can understand each and everything one by one. Each this vertical showing each day volume, how much volume has been that very there. As this is a day, so it is for one day. If simply I put here, that means it you can see here left side here this yellow color. This shows that today volume was 3,31,000 plus. If you just one 220,000 plus. Here we can see 184,000. So each day volume is represented here. Here we can see only 88 such. So whenever, whatever we can want to see that particular day, we can see easily volume here. Then second, this yellow line, what is this? This is 10 days moving average for volume. How we have fixed this, whether this can be changed? Yes, of course, this can be changed. Here, if you can go and these settings, we simply click here and inputs. I have taken 10. If you want, you can take 20 or any and just make okay. Then you can see this line changes. So as per your requirement, as per your convenience, you can have your average volume and that will give you significant information. What you will see here, each day there is significant upward movement from this very line. If volume for that particular day below this line, that means there is no significant movement, there is no significant volume that very day. That also shown from here, how this happening. Again, if you want to show this in another way, this is also possible to show this. We can have area. Okay, this is showing too much dark. So we can have another way of this. We can make it less dark. And then we can see downside volume is also visible. And this line also visible, average is also visible. So whenever this is covered inside, too much low inside. That means there is less volume. Whenever it is touching the line or coming out of this very area line, that means there is significant volume. And whenever we observe significant volume, That means there is significant movement in price. It is bound to happen. If we are going backward, we can see here this area very less volume and we can see very less movement in price. Again, we are going backward. Whenever we see big volume, there is price movement, big price movement. So this is associated. We should go further and discuss in detail how this plays out, what is the thought process, what are the psychology behind this, how it plays around. Let us see, before going that, let us see another one good scene I want to show you. Here also we can see whenever there is big volume, there is bound to increase in price. Here we can see very less volume and no movement. As soon as from here we see each day big volume, then price started to move upward from 329. It is going more than 600 only when there is big volume as per and price movement is like anything. So now come to psychology part. Let us have this in detail. So there are four more important things that I have tried to capture here. First is price increases, volume increases. Then what is the expectation? Expectation is bullish momentum. So let us understand in detail how this happened. First thing, there is price increase. Okay, why this price increase happened? Because there are more participants and participants want to purchase at higher price. Second, volume increase. This shows more participants. Is there institutional investor, DIIs, FII? Yes, quite possible because there is increase in volume for last 10 days. There is significant movement from there. From average, it is more. That is why there is price increase. That means there is possibility of a smart money coming to that very script. So if price increases with volume, that means a smart money is playing there and bullish trend is possible. Just we have seen how once price increases, volume increases, then there is bullish trend is coming. It goes like anything. Within short period of time, it is just going to 2x within short period. So how and why this happened? Only because there is both increase in price supported by volume. Just opposite of that, price increases, but volume decreases. So what is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is there is only weak hand playing. Why? How we can say so? Only because if a smart money is there, if FII is there, if DII is there, then they will purchase in huge quantity, like weak hand, like individual investors. They will not purchase in some hundred or thousand share. They will purchase in lakhs of share, millions of share at a one time. And once volume increases like that, lakhs of, then there will be significant movement. So definitely once price increases, but volume decreases, that means there is no FIIs, DIIs, smart money. And that means this increase is cannot be significant. It will die down and chances of reversal of pattern, reversal of momentum is possible. We cannot say this is 100% that this will reversal will happen. It may be possible after some day the smart money comes and pushes the price up and pushes the momentum in upward journey. This is quite possible. But as of that very day, when there is only increase in price but decrease in volume, that means there is no smart money, only weak hand is buying and chances of reversal. So this is the meaning of this, and accordingly, we should have our trading setup. We should avoid taking bet, purchase any stock where there is increase in price but decrease in volume. Now comes third, there is price decrease but increase in volume. That means there is trend. Why? How? If price decreases but volume increases significantly, that means more than average. That means a smart money is exiting that very script. If a smart money increasing, then only volume has increased. Otherwise, it would have been less, very less volume there, below average volume there. So we should also should be with a smart money. And if we have already taken position, we should also exit like a smart money because there is chances of falling down and going that very script in downtrend. Fourth situation, just opposite of third one, where price in decreases and volume also decreases. That means only weak hand is selling. Smart money is not selling there or not present there in selling. That is why there is below average volume. So we understand all the four proposition how smart money and individual investors plays in a price movement of any stock. So whenever we are taking any bet, we must see whether there is increase in volume or no. Second thing, up to now we have learned about so many candles. Whenever we see there is a significant candle like Marabuju or bullish engulfing, and same time there is increase in volume. So from this point onward, it is quite possible that it will go in bullish trend and our trading will be wonderful. We will get handsome return. We can expect to go long if there is no significant volume increase and maybe there is decrease in volume with those patterns, then we should avoid taking part in that very script despite happening of formation of such candlestick. I think you would have understood volume play quite well. If you have any question, please write in subscription, write down below in comment box so that I can read, and if something required, I can reply to you. Please do subscribe and share with your friends so that more and more people can take benefit of this free video series of technical analysis. Thank you. Bye bye.